The First Amendment to the U.S. Constitution guarantees Congress shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech or of the press. This is the exact text of the First Amendment. While there are other laws both protecting and limiting speech and the press, this is the one that journalists stand behind.
While the First Amendment applies to everyone, those rights fall into two main categories for journalists. The first category is the privilege and protection for journalistic activities, while the second category is access to government operations and records. You've heard the term privilege before. In a legal context, it means a benefit enjoyed by a specific group. Journalists are protected by the fair report privilege. Now, this allows journalists the freedom to report anything they see or hear that's said in an official government proceeding without fear of being sued or censored, no matter how slanderous or defamatory the facts or quotes might be. Now, journalists still have to be accurate and fair when using this fair report privilege. Journalists are also protected by the opinion privilege. This protects the written opinions of journalists from libel suits. And the opinion privilege recognizes the distinction between fact and opinion. We'll delve a little deeper into this in the few slides. Our next category is fair comment and criticism. Like the opinion privilege, fair comment and criticism allows journalists to criticize performers, politicians, or other matters of public interests. We'll delve into this a little deeper in a few slides as well. Now, the Federal Privacy Protection Act protects you and your newsroom from searches and seizures. Should you interview someone who broke the law and then police demand information about it? The law would not apply, however, if police suspect that you are involved in the crime. Finally, 40 states, including North Carolina, have shield laws that protect journalists by preserving the confidentiality of their sources. Now, this protection is not absolute, which means that in some cases, journalists must choose between revealing confidential information or going to jail.